using the identity sine square plus cosine square equals 1, find the value of tangent alpha if sine alpha is 0.6 and alpha is in second quadrant. So we have identity sine square alpha plus cosine square alpha is equal 1. We have also that given that sine of alpha is 0.6 and alpha is in the second quadrant also. So because we have given sine, we can substitute to our identity sine alpha by 0.6. So we have 0.6 to second power plus cosine square alpha, this is equal 1. So from this equation we can calculate the cosine alpha. Cosine square alpha will be 1 minus 0.6 to second power. So this is equal 1 minus 0.36. So this is equal 0.64. This is cosine square. So cosine alpha will be plus minus square root of 0.64. So this is equal plus minus 0.8. And now, because alpha is in the second quadrant, and we know that in the second quadrant, when we have xy plane, this is first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative, so we have to choose negative value for cosine alpha. Cosine alpha will be negative 0.8. Why? Because this is the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cosine is negative. Second quadrant. So we have value of cosine of alpha. To find tangent alpha, we will use formula that tangent alpha is sine alpha over cosine alpha. So we have given sine, we calculate cosine, so we have to just substitute. Sine is 0.6 over negative 0.8. So this is equal, we can use calculator, of course it will be negative, positive or negative, so it will be negative. 0.6 divided by 0.8, this is equal 0.75. We calculate the value of tangent alpha. This is negative 0.75. This is my solution.